Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you this very delicious recipe of Irish potato. Just look at that, so beautiful and very delicious. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always. If this is your first time here, please do click on the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So to the ingredients we'll be using, we'll have spices. These are the ones I used, so just make a combination of what you want. Then chicken breast, Irish potatoes, colored bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, mixed veggies, onions. I used vegetable oil, kitchen glory, curry, thyme, garlic, powdered ginger, rosemary. So just make a combination of the ones you want. So these are all my vegetables sliced and prepared. I've brought them out in the quantity I'm going to be needing. I've sliced my onion, the chicken breast, the bell peppers, the carrots, the scotch bonnet pepper. I like dicing my vegetables, but you can do your bits. So first I'll prepare my chicken breast. I'll add a bit of seasoning, salt, just to give it a taste. I'll mix that very well and then cover and set aside for 30 minutes, so it will really be very tasty. Then to a hot pot, I'll add vegetable oil, just a little to stir fry. Then I bring the chicken breast and add into the hot vegetable oil and stir fry that. So how you know this is done is when it turns very pale. So it doesn't take long for chicken breast to be cooked, actually 5 minutes maximum. So this is how it looks like when it gets done. It becomes whitish and very cream like in color. So you want to scoop that out and set aside. In the same pot, I add in my diced ginger. I like adding the diced ginger first because it gives the oil this nice flavor. And I go in with my diced onions. I use a lot of that because I love onions a lot. Then I go in with my sliced carrot. I slice this in circles, but of course you can slice it to any shape of your choice. So you add the carrot first because it's a hard vegetable and it needs to cook longer than others. So you add that, fry for a bit, and then add your mixed vegetables. So I bought this ready-made mixed vegetables from the store. You can as well get separate ingredients, the green peas, the green beans, the sweet corn. You can get them in their raw state, dice them and use. So after adding that, you add in all your remaining spices in their bits. These are the list of spices I used listed on the screen. Add in your seasoning to taste, your salt, and then kitchen glory. Kitchen glory is one nice spice I really like using. So stir all of that for about a minute or two, and then it's done. Now to another pot, you add in your Irish potato, salt to taste, water, and then cover to boil. I cook this for about 20 minutes. You don't want that to be too soft, just 90% done. Then now to your vegetables, you add your colored bell peppers last because peppers don't really need too much cooking or too much fire. So once you are done frying the hard vegetables, add the colored bell peppers, fry it for about a minute, add your chicken breast, and your vegetable sauce is all set. So give that a good stir, set aside, and wait for your potatoes to be done. So 20 minutes later, I went back to check my potatoes. They were done. I drained the water, brought the potato, and added into the vegetable sauce I already had. Give that a good stir, just to combine everything together. And then you might want to taste it at this point to be sure that your salt, your seasoning, everything is okay. If you think you still need more, now is the time to add some more to adjust that. So after stirring, cover that and allow to cook again for about a minute or two, and here you go, your food is ready. Guys, this recipe is so delicious. Like, you just need to give this a trial. I made this on my birthday because it's a signature recipe for me. I just wanted other people to have a taste of this and really tell me what they feel. I had about 6 guests in my house that day. I served them this, and God, the reviews were amazing. So try out this recipe and tell me what you think. You see, that grilled chicken is also a special recipe for me. I will show you how I made that grilled chicken in another video. Stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me your comments down below. I'd love to know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. See you when next we see. Bye bye.